Hello there. Today I just want to show you my special skills that anyone can do. So, if you do like this and the paint is removed, it's not a problem, guys. I will show you how I repainted, and if you don't have the big paint, so we will use the best paint ever. If you have this too much scratches on the wall, removing paints and everything dirt, we can make it, guys. Don't you worry. I will show you on how I did it with the small paints. So I grabbed the small paints from the school supplies and a brown color, just a small amount only, and we have to add an additional color for that. So I'm gonna take the white color for it, and these two really match ever. Once you get it, so we can start taking your brush, leave the rest. For mixing it, guys, I'll just want to put a little mixture of brown color. So this is very light brown color, and I'll just put it in this small bottle with the white, and you can see the difference when you mixed it. So mix, 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 mix. I am telling you guys, this is one of the best thing that I made here at home. It's very simple and easy to use, guys. So just see what I'm doing now. I'm gonna brush it a little bit. So brush, brush, brush. It's like you're painting with your own painting works. And now I understand that I know how to do painting as well. So even this small things only, guys, we can do just starting from this scratch. So if you don't have the painting things at home, and you don't need to call a painter just to do this, guys, you can do it with your own with just a slight amount. So just see what I'm doing, and now I understood painting is not a very tiring work. For me, it's just like I'm playing, yeah, and just a little bit here with around the corner also, guys. You must put it even it's not really the same color as the paint on the wall, but it's a big difference po. So let's see it on the side, another side. So a little painting, more, okay, and then just here another place. Okay, I just want to paint it a little more. Even it cannot do like a magic, like a real paint, your excuse me, your typical house paint, but it will remove all the dirts like that. See what I'm doing now, and I am enjoying it. So let's try the other, guys. It's more on there. We have to do this painting, and I think a little more time, because this wall is really not a great look for everyone, and we keep on doing putting this tape and all, and it's become so messy as like this. And this is one of the best solution, guys, if you don't have that things for painting and all. So let's try it one by one again. Stay there, guys, and hope to see you again till the next and till the end. Hope guys na you learn something from me, even it's a small thing, and sana makahelp to everyone. And thank you very much for watching. See you again to our next video. Marami pong salamat!